Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and do also check out our website www.lexicallab.com to see what else we have to offer you. Over recent years, like many of you, I've got strangely used to the madness that's accompanied Donald Trump's presidency in the United States. However, his recent brush with COVID-19 and the events that followed it were shocking even by his standards. As you may remember, despite having claimed at various times that COVID-19 was a hoax, that it didn't really exist, that it wasn't anything to worry about, and all of this was being said as the death rate in the United States went through the roof. Having said all of these things, he then contracted coronavirus himself and spent a couple of days in hospital. At the end of these 2 days, whilst still being positive with the virus, he got into a sealed car and drove around outside the hospital waving at his fans. He then removed his mask, invited photographers in to take photographs of him. All of which basically shows a complete disregard for the lives of the people working close to you. All of those people would have had to self-isolate afterwards. And as I said, even by Trump's standards, this was jaw-dropping. If you describe something as jaw-dropping, you mean that it's really shocking, really astonishing. We also sometimes say, I just couldn't believe it when I saw that. My jaw was quite literally on the floor. If you like this video, click the like button below, share it with friends, and in the comments section below, we'd love to hear about things that you think were jaw-dropping, or times when your jaw was quite literally on the floor.